Duncan, what'd you get for Christmas?
Fire truck.
A fire truck. A Lego fire truck. And so Duncan wanted to share and make a video, a time-lapse video of us making it. I'm not on screen. So, ready to go, Duncan? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. All done! What do you think, Duncan?
Good.
That is your signature comment.
Good.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? That's connected to the fire hydrant. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you want to be a fireman when you get older?
Yeah.
Well, this is good practice, okay? And we've still got at least 2 more Lego sets to put together in for later videos, right?
Yep.
Okay, well, we're gonna take a break for now. More Lego to follow. But not right now. Oh, Kai wants to do it right now. I need a break. My legs are asleep. Nina? Nina? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Duncan, say bye-bye.